Namaskar, welcome to the KARMAKAR channel. Today we will learn about our planet, the Earth, and its related topics such as universe, sun, planets, satellites, shape of the Earth, eclipse, GPS, and so on. So let's begin the class. And before that, do like, subscribe, and share the channel. Let's begin. What is universe? Universe is all space and time. It includes planets, stars, galaxies, and all forms of matter and energy. Its composition: universe is composed of dark energy, dark matter, ordinary matter. Other contents like electromagnetic radiation and antimatter is also present. Four fundamental forces of universe are gravitational, electromagnetic, strong nuclear, and weak nuclear force. Matter tends to cluster. Many atoms are condensed into stars, then to galaxies, clusters, superclusters, and galactic filaments. Sun. Sun is a star. It's a huge ball of hydrogen and helium. 73% of it is hydrogen and 25% of it is helium. Distance of Sun from Earth is 150.6 million kilometers. Sunlight takes 8.3 minutes or 8 hours 18 minutes to reach on Earth. Speed of light from Sun to Earth is 2,99,792 km per second. Light takes about 499.0 seconds to reach on Earth. This distance is called 1 astronomical unit. Sun is created by solar nebula. It's a giant spinning cloud of gas and dust. Sun is 109 times wider or bigger than Earth. Sun rotates on its axis in about 27 days. Its rotational axis is tilted by 7.25 degrees from axis of Earth's orbit. Sun controls or drives seasons, climate, ocean currents, and helps in photosynthesis. Life on Earth would not exist without Sun's heat and light. Solar system. Family of Sun is solar system. It consists of Sun, planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, meteors, etc. Sun is about 27,000 light years from the center of Milky Way galaxy or Akashganga. Age of Milky Way galaxy is 13.61 billion years. Solar system stays together due to the strong pull of Sun's gravity. Nearest planetary system is Proxima Centauri, 4.25 light years. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Giant planets: Jupiter, Saturn. Ice giants: Uranus, Neptune. Terrestrial planets are composed of rock and metal. Giant planets composed of hydrogen and helium. Ice giants are composed of hydrogen, ammonia, and methane with thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Symbol of planets. Largest planet is Jupiter and smallest planet is Mercury. Planets are named after some mythological deities. Mercury, named after messenger of Roman gods. Venus, named after Roman god of love and beauty. Mars, Roman god of war. Jupiter, ruler of Roman gods. Saturn, Jupiter's father in Roman mythology. Uranus, Greek god of sky. Neptune, Roman god of sea, and Pluto, Roman god of underworld. Satellite. Celestial body orbiting the Earth or another planet is satellite. Number of satellites: Mercury has 0, Venus 0, Earth 1, name Moon, Mars 2, Phobos, Deimos, Jupiter 79, 53 confirmed, 26 provisional. Name Io, Ganymede, Europa, Callisto, etc. Saturn 82, 53 confirmed, 29 provisional. Mimas, Titan, Rhea, Enceladus, Tethys, Dione, Iapetus, etc. Uranus has 27 satellites named Ariel, Miranda, Umbriel, Oberon, Titania, etc. Neptune 14 named Triton, Thalassa, Proteus, etc. Dwarf planets, Pluto has 5 satellites, Charon, Hydra, Nix, Styx, etc. Haumea has 2, Namaka, Hyaka. Aries 1, Dysnomia. Ceres 0, Makemake 1, that is also provisional, named MK2. Two others are Gong has 1 satellite, Xianglu, Kuaoar 1, Weiwot, Orcus 1, Vanth, Sedna 0. Total 214 satellites, confirmed 158, provisional 56. Layers of atmosphere. They are age of outer space, magnetosphere, exosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, ozone layer, stratosphere, troposphere, and Earth's surface. Troposphere. Lowest part of atmosphere, part we live in, contains most of our weather, clouds, rain, snow. Contains 75% of all of air in atmosphere and almost all of water vapor, which forms clouds and rain. Lowest part of troposphere is boundary layer. Here, air motion is determined by properties of Earth's surface. Top of troposphere is tropopause. This is lowest at poles about 7 to 10 km above Earth's surface and highest near equator. This tropopause is about 17 km above equatorial region and 9 km above polar region. Aviation services takes place here, and with season, the layer of troposphere is lower in winter and higher in summer. Average height of troposphere is 12 kilometers. Troposphere. It is between 12 to 50 kilometers above Earth's surface. Extends upwards from tropopause to about 50 kilometers. Contains much of ozone in atmosphere. It absorbs UV radiations and protects us from skin cancer and other health problems. Jet planes fly here. Stratopause separates it from mesosphere. Next is mesosphere. Region above stratosphere is mesosphere. Here, temperature decreases with height, reaching about minus 90 degrees Celsius at mesopause. Meteors burn in this layer. Rockets and rocket-powered aircraft reach here. Mesopause separates mesosphere from thermosphere at a height of 80 to 90 kilometers. Height of mesosphere is 50 to 80 kilometers above Earth's surface. Thermosphere lies above mesopause and region where temperature again increases with height because of absorption of energetic ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from Sun. International Space Station orbits in this layer. Above 80 km of atmosphere is ionosphere. Here, solar radiation knocks off electrons from molecules and atoms, turning them into ions with positive charge. It reflects and absorbs radio waves. Height of thermosphere is 80 km to 700 km. Exosphere. 700 to 10,000 km or height above 500 km is exosphere. Contains mainly oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Most Earth's satellites orbits in this layer. Next is magnetosphere. Earth behaves like huge magnet, traps electrons and protons, concentrating them in two bonds about 3,000 to 16,000 kilometers above globe, the Van Allen radiation belts. This outer region surrounding the Earth, where charged particles spiral along the magnetic field lines, is magnetosphere. Age of outer space. There is no clear boundary between where Earth's atmosphere ends and outer space begins, or altitude where space begins. A delineation known as Kármán line is used, located 100 kilometers above Earth's surface, to denote transition point, since 99.99% of Earth's atmosphere lies beneath this point. Spinning of Earth or turning on its axis is rotation. It is in anti-clockwise direction, west to east. Time taken is 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.09053 seconds or 24 hours. Axis of rotation is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Tilt of axis is known as obliquity of ecliptic. Speed of rotation is 460 meters per second or 1000 miles per hour or 1674 kilometers per hour or 30 kilometers per second. 24 hours is 360 degrees. 1 hour is 15 degrees. 360 degrees in 4 minutes less than 24 hours and 361 degrees between noon on one day to noon on next day. 360 degree rotation is sidereal day. Earth has seasons due to tiltness to orbital plane, and the orbital plane is plane of Earth's orbits around the sun. Day and night, movement of water in oceans, winds, tides, deflection occurs due to rotation. Revolution. Earth revolves in orbit around the sun in elliptical orbit is revolution. Time taken is 365 days, 6 hours, 9 minutes. This 6 hours 9 minutes makes an extra day every 4th year as leap year, February 29. Direction is anti-clockwise, west to east. Speed is 29.8 km per second or 30 km per second. It causes seasonal changes, weather, season, climate change, heat zones, sun's rays fall at different angles, and perihelion and aphelion position. Perihelion is point in orbit of planet, comet or asteroid closest to sun, that is in early January or 2 weeks after December, and aphelion position is distant from sun, and that is in early July or 2 weeks after June. Eclipse. It occurs when sun, earth and moon are in a straight line in the plane of ecliptic. When earth obstructs sun's rays from reaching the face of moon, then the moon gets eclipsed, and when moon hides the face of sun, it's an eclipse of sun. Sun is able to light only one half of earth and other half remains dark. Darker side of earth casts a shadow which is conical in shape and tapers away from earth. This shadow region does not receive any light from sun and it remains absolutely dark. This zone is called umbra. There is a zone of faint shadows around the umbra zone which receives partial light of sun. This zone is called penumbra. Lunar eclipse. When sun, earth and moon lies in straight line and earth lies between sun and moon, lunar eclipse occurs. It occurs on full moon day but not on every full moon day, as these three bodies have to be in the plane of ecliptic. If moon is exactly in plane of ecliptic, total lunar eclipse will occur. If moon is close to the plane of ecliptic, partial lunar eclipse will occur. And if moon is far above or far below the plane of ecliptic, no eclipse will occur. Solar eclipse. When sun, earth and moon are in straight line and moon lies between sun and earth, solar eclipse occurs. This occurs on a new moon day but not on every new moon day, as these three bodies have to be in the plane of ecliptic. If apex of shadow cone does not touch the earth's surface, an annular eclipse of sun will occur. Here central part of sun's disk appears dark with a bright ring all around it. This is called antumbra. If moon is exactly in plane of ecliptic, total solar eclipse will occur. If moon is close to the plane of ecliptic, partial solar eclipse will occur. If moon is far above or far below the plane of ecliptic, no eclipse will occur. GPS. Satellite-based system used to locate positions anywhere on Earth. GPS location data can be retrieved and used for locations, directions and social networking. It is retrieved in latitude and longitude format using decimal degrees, minutes and seconds. Haversine formula calculates distance across spherical surface between 2 points. Using two sets of location data from GPS device and Haversine formula, user can determine distance between them. It is an ellipsoid, oblate spheroid, densest planet in solar system and third planet. Nearly spherical, flattening poles and bulging around equator due to rotation. Tectonic plates are Pacific, African, North American, South American, Eurasian, Antarctic, Indo-Australian, Arabian, Caribbean, Nazca, Scotia. Circumference of Earth is 40,075 kilometers. Equatorial diameter of Earth is 12,756 kilometers. Polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. Around 240 BC, Eratosthenes estimated circumference of Earth. Around 500 BC, Pythagoras first proposed that Earth is spherical. Nicolaus Copernicus first said that Earth revolves around Sun. Aristotle, Varahamihira, Aryabhatta also said that Earth is spherical. Galileo said that Earth was not center of universe. And around 350 BC, Aristotle declared Earth is round or spear-like object. Eratosthenes confirmed the position of Sun at Syene and Alexandria, both located in Egypt, on the day of summer solstice on June 21st. He noticed that position of Sun at Syene was overhead but not in Alexandria because a vertical post still cast a shadow there of angle 7.12 degrees. Knowing the distance between the two places of 5,000 stadia, he calculated the circumference of Earth based on two assumptions, that is, Earth is round and Sun's rays are parallel. He also knew that Syene was on Tropic of Cancer and Sun's rays would be directly overhead on that day. He found the size of Earth by slicing a section of Earth as a piece of pie. From these two places, it was 1/50th of total pie. Therefore, multiplying the arc length of pie crust by 50, he found the value of circumference of Earth, that is 5,000 stadia equal to 800 kilometers, about 6.25 stadia equal to 1 kilometer, 7.12 degrees angular distance equal to 5,000 stadia. Therefore, 360 degree angular distance equal to 5,000 by 7.12 into 360 stadia. This is equal to 2,52,000 stadia approx. Therefore, the circumference of Earth is 2,52,000 stadia or 40,000 kilometers. Earth as an oblate spheroid and concept of geoid. Earth is not perfect sphere. It's flattened at poles and bulged at equator. It's an oblate ellipsoid due to rotation on its axis from west to east at 1670 km per hour. Earth as an oblate spheroid was observed by Jean Richer, a French astronomer, in 1671. At the equator, length of 1 degree latitude is 110.58 km. 1 degree longitude is 111.32 km. Length changes from equator to poles. 1 degree latitude at poles is 111.7 km. Concept of geoid. Geoid means earth shaped. It depends on gravitational measurements and not on Earth's surface. Therefore, geoid is an imaginary surface that coincides with mean sea level in ocean and its extension through continents. Earth as a home of humankind. Earth is the third planet. 71% of Earth's surface is made of oceans, polar ice, lakes, rivers. 29% is land, consisting of continents and islands. Atmosphere mainly consists of nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. 0.9% argon, 0.1% carbon dioxide, methane, neon, water vapor. Average temperature 57 degree Fahrenheit or 13.9 degrees Celsius. Ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. Plants in process of photosynthesis take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Carbon dioxide keeps Earth's temperature between -88 degrees Celsius to 58 degrees Celsius. Higher would make Earth suffer from greenhouse effect and lower would make temperature colder and unsuitable for sustenance of life. Thus, both land and water support life on Earth. Earth's unique position in solar system. Word Earth is derived from English word Artha, means crown. It's in third position from Sun and fifth largest planet in terms of size and mass, but is densest 5,513 kg per meter cube. Earth is positioned in such a way that it remains protected from asteroids and meteoroids. Jupiter keeps large rocks away from Earth with its strong gravity. Moon also keeps rocks away, thus hitting Moon instead of Earth. Large craters are evidences of it. Moon acts like anchor, preventing it from tilting too far due to attraction of Sun or Jupiter. Earth has large magnetic field due to nickel-iron mixed core. This magnetic field protects us from radiation bombardment from space. Therefore, it's the only planet suitable for life in whole solar system. Proof of Earth's sphericity. Circumnavigation of Earth. First voyage around Earth by Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, and his crew in 1519 to 1522 proved that Earth is spherical. Circular horizon. In an open field, if we stand and look forward, sky may seem to have merged with Earth's surface, known as horizon. Gradual visibility of ship. When ship comes closer, we first see its top, then middle, and finally the entire ship, and vice versa while going. Sunrise and sunset. Sun rises in east and sets in west. This happens as only half portion of Earth can be illuminated by sun. Lunar eclipse. Earth casts a curved shadow on moon. Only sphere can cast a curved shadow. Traveling around Earth by aeroplanes and ships shows Earth is round. Space photographs. Photographs taken from rockets and artificial satellites shows Earth is round. All these evidences prove that Earth is sphere or round. So this is it for today. Do like and subscribe the channel. We will meet again in the next class. Till then, thank you.